Are your feet feeling dry, rough, or cracked? Lotion alone won't fix it. Oils lock in deep moisture. They form a protective barrier that prevents water loss. Always apply oil right after your shower. Damp skin absorbs the oil much better. Put on thick cotton socks immediately after. Wear them overnight to seal the hydration. Wake up to incredibly soft, hydrated feet. Try this tonight for instant results. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on future videos.